Hey, it's Peter here. It's March 30th of 2014, and I just want to show something that I'm working on here. I actually had this idea many years ago, back in the light harp days when I was building all kinds of light harps. I had the idea and I sort of filed it away. I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. But it turns out it's actually really cool. So basically what we have here is an Arduino Nano microcontroller, and it's putting out just square wave tones. But it's putting them out to an LED. So that light, it looks like a regular light, but it's actually sound modulated light. You can't tell looking at it, but it's actually modulated. So here we have a cadmium sulfide photoresistor built into this little kit, and it's set up in a voltage divider arrangement with a pot, and we're picking the voltage off the middle of the voltage divider. So I can hook that voltage up to a amplifier and kind of get a way of doing it, but when I touch the light, it bounces the modulated light beam back into the light sensor. When you're not touching it, no sound. I mean, you get a very small amount of sound because of some crosstalk going on between there, but that's just common mode noise. The cool thing about this is that you can really control the loudness of the sound in a very sort of organic way. So my thought is, rather than have one sound light source, I could have 3 or 4 or more, where we're making chords, and your free hand is actually controlling the volume of the chord, and maybe depending on how you move your hand, you're controlling the amount that each note component of the chord is mixed. So the mixing is happening in the air with the light and getting bounced back into the device. So more of a sort of a theremin-like interface. So I'm working on an AirHarp design that uses this. It's just like the AirHarp Lyra, except instead of having MIDI output, it literally has just sound output. And I'm calling it the AirHarp Eco. I think it's going to be pretty freaking sweet. And the cool thing is that the ultrasound that's so expensive on these bad boys, like 25 bucks quantity 1, 20 bucks quantity 100, that will be gone. And if we get rid of the voltage step up on here, which is I think 6 bucks, and we just go with a 9-volt battery, that cuts even more cost out of the thing. So I mean, really, then the most expensive thing on here will be the chip, which is like 5 bucks. So potentially the AirHarp Eco could be built really cheap. I mean, we could sell these things for like 20 bucks or less, I'm hoping. Anyway, Peter here for Lyratron. You'll be seeing more soon.